let me show you how this works. You are going to have access to software that's going to go target post, paid ads, or groups on Facebook with your niche audience. So imagine this is an ad that is your competitor, somebody that's spending money to target leads. What you can do is use the software to target the paid ads. So all these people that are engaging right here and commenting, I'm able to click the software and I can engage with the reactions and comments. I can create a scripted engaging message to reach out to these people, and the software is going to message them on autopilot for me. Let me show you an example. Here is Dana. Earlier today at 10:40 a.m., I sent him an engaging message to start conversations about my products and services, and he responded back, "Hey there, I would love more info about it." That's how simple and easy this is. The system does all the work for you. You sit back and wait for people to engage with you. By the way, you also have a CRM. So my messenger here is a CRM system now where I can see my new leads. I can label people. If Dana becomes a client, I could switch him to client. So just by the click of a button, you're able to organize everything, okay? On top of all this, data backs everything, right? As you see, I have over 185 clients. I have 33 new leads for the week. That's in 3 days. And I have almost 400 follow-ups. This system, by the way, will do your auto follow-ups, okay? Now, what I recommend you do is get back to the person that shared this with you, plug in, start using the software. You have 7 days, no money paying. You don't even have to worry about payment. Just come plug in, start generating leads, grow your business, and I look forward to seeing you on the Zooms and hearing about your results. Have a great day. My name is Bo, and I'll be the one that's teaching and training you on the live Zoom.